If you're thinking about using YouTube to market your business, that's a really smart move. There are over 2 billion users on YouTube every month, and YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. So if you want to know how to use YouTube to market your business, we're going to show you 7 actionable steps right now. Hello, and welcome to Ask Me Anything About YouTube. I'm Sheri Barbera.
I'm Sal Barbera.
And today we're going to be talking about
how to use YouTube for business marketing. 7 actual steps are
actionable.
What?
Actionable.
They're actual too, aren't they?
Actionable steps. Steps that you can take action on right this second.
Actionable steps.
Yes, they are.
All right, so number 1, your first video. Number 2, how to use SEO.
SEO.
3, how to be consistent. 4, promote and market. 5, build a community. 6, use YouTube ads. 7, analyze, optimize, repeat.
Okay, great. So let's start with number 1.
Your first video.
What should your first official video be? I think your first video as a business channel should be all the benefits of purchasing your products or services. Think about all the different ways that you have benefited your customers or clients, what they're going to get out of using your products or services,
and
how
apply
it's
that to how that can help the viewer.
Help the viewer. It's all about the viewers. How can you make their life better with your products or services? That's your official first video. Okay,
right.
Step 2.
Number 2, how to use SEO, search engine optimization.
What does that mean in a video? When you make your video and you export that video, you title the video. So the title of the video should be literally the title of what that video is going to be. That's your first keyword. So this is all about
It's also
keywords.
your first description of the video.
And it's the description of the video. Use that for your thumbnail. You use that for your title. You use it in your description. This is all search engine optimizing your video. So keywords. And keywords are not something that you want to do like a simple word like books. You want long tail keywords. So you want like the complete title of your video.
So like books about how great my husband is, Sal.
Right.
You have to be specific. It's a long tail keyword that's specific and lets people search for something they really want to know about.
Because so many people have husbands named Sal.
You don't. I have 2 cousins named Sal. There's 3 right there.
That's true. There are 3 of them.
Anyway.
Yeah, so that's how you use search engine optimization, and then also your tags. The tags, which are the same as keywords, but YouTube calls them tags. What are the tags for your video? You want to make sure that these are things that people are actively searching for. So the title of your video becomes tags in your video.
So you can actually go and look at other tags to see which are the most popular tags to use if they apply to your video.
Absolutely. That's a great way to do that. Okay, what's the next step?
Be consistent.
Be consistent. Be consistent.
Yeah.
I don't know how many times you can hear this, but it's so super important. And the reason for that is because if you think of your channel like a television show, which is what you should think of it like, because it's a TV show about your business, you got to show up, right? If you want your viewers to show up, you've got to show up.
And people want to know when you're going to show up. So if you're on at a specific time, a specific amount of days per week, and a specific time, they're going to look forward to seeing you. If you go away for a few days,
or weeks, or months.
They'll
you can't
go away.
just post a
Your
video.
viewers will go away.
Yeah, I mean, if you just post a video and think, wow, I'm up there and people are going to flock to me, that's just not the way it works.
Right.
You want to be consistent with your posting. You want to post at least once a week, and you want your content to be valuable enough that people come to see it.
Right. Good.
What's number 3?
Number 3.
Oh, that was 3. What's number 4?
What's number 4? What's number 4? Number 4, promote and market. You cannot promote and market your video too much.
You can't. This is all about business marketing. And your video, once you post your video, there is what's called a share button right under the video on every single video on YouTube. So you go to your video, you click on the share button, and it gives you options of how to share your video. Well, share just means market and promote. Twitter, Facebook, Mix, Reddit. There's so many different ways that you can share your video. But this is how you market and promote it. Plus, on the share button is what's called an embed. An embed allows you to embed the video right on your website, right into a blog post, right into a newsletter. So there are multiple ways for you to promote and market your videos and promote and market your business.
And let's be 100% clear, the more you promote and market your video, the more views you're going to get. The more you put into it, the more you'll get out of it. It's just one of those things.
That is such a smart thing to say, because you can't just think that you're going to put something up there and that's it. Like, that is not marketing, that is not branding, that's not building or growing or making money. So you have to promote and market your business. And this is so simple. It only takes maybe half an hour to go through all of those different share buttons and promote and market.
It's simple, but sometimes it's hard to fit it into your schedule, and you have to make the time to do the promotion and marketing, and you should have a schedule so that you can just do it at a specific time and get it all done.
Promote and market.
Promoting and marketing.
Okay,
really
what's
big.
the next one?
Really big. Oh, I was called Sagan again. Build a community.
Building a community is extremely important on YouTube. YouTube is all about community, and that's what comments are. So below your video is where people can put comments. And if you are getting the clients and customers that you already have to watch your videos, which I hope you're doing through your newsletter, then you ask them to comment. Put your comments below this video.
And they don't interact with only you, they interact with each other.
Yes.
Which that's what makes it a community. So everybody talks to each other and everybody helps everybody else.
And this is where you can learn, what do your clients or customers want to know? They're going to ask you in the comments below your video, well, what about this? Or tell us about that, or I don't know enough about this. Read the comments, respond to every single comment.
You also, when you see the comments, you learn where they are in their YouTube video place in the world. You know how far they've come. You can tell by their comments, basically, which will help you comment back to them and help them.
Okay.
So anyway.
So what's number 6?
Number 6. Use YouTube ads.
YouTube ads are a great way to spend your dollars wisely promoting and marketing your business. The reason for that is YouTube is so specific. YouTube allows you to market directly by age, by gender, by location, by likes, by dislikes, by the things that people watch and look at. Google Ads does this as well. Google being the parent company of YouTube. And if you want to build your business more quickly, YouTube ads are a very smart way to get going with that.
And you could be really specific about the people you want to target. You could be very specific about the viewers you would like to target.
Yes, you can be very specific with the targeting of all kinds of things that have to do with your customers. So the more you know about your customer, the more specific you can be, the better your ads will be targeted and the better they'll work. Okay, and what is number 7?
Number 7, analyze, optimize, repeat.
So what does that mean? So YouTube Studio, which is the back end of your YouTube channel, allows you to look at the analytics of every single video and your entire channel altogether. You can learn on each video that you post, are people watching? Are they watching all the way from start to finish? If they're not, where are they stopping? You can literally go to your video and see where they're stopping.
That's a really cool thing. You can actually see where they start watching your video and then they either lose interest or you do something that makes them stop watching. And then if it's something that you did, if it's something that you did that makes them stop watching, you don't do that again.
And this is how you optimize what is happening with your videos, because you learn from your analytics where they're coming from, where they're watching your video, when they're stopping, what they're doing, and then you can make better videos.
Right.
You can make better content. You can make your content for the people that are coming. So if you see that more people are coming, let's say from maybe their mobile device, 70% of users are watching on a mobile device.
Right.
Where are people coming from? How are they finding you? Are they finding you from a Google search, from a YouTube search? Are they finding you from your actual page? Are they coming from your website? You're going to learn all of this in your analytics.
And you're going to adjust your videos accordingly.
Yes. And then as you learn and you get better and you make better videos, go back, read the analytics, optimize your videos even more, make your tags better, make your keywords better, do your research, and then make more videos.
Analyze and optimize just simply means just keep an eye on what's going on your channel and adjust it as you go along to make better videos so that they work better than the ones before.
That they work better than the ones before,
I mean,
exactly. Let's just recap how to use YouTube for business marketing. Number 1.
Your first video.
2.
How to use SEO.
3.
Be consistent.
4.
Promote and market.
5.
Build a community.
6.
Use YouTube ads.
And 7.
Analyze, optimize, repeat.
I'm Sheri Barbera.
I'm Barbera.
This is YouTube Bootcamp, and this is Ask Me Anything About YouTube. And if there's something you want to learn about YouTube, let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you really found this of value and you want to share it with a colleague, share it. We would love that. Yes?
Yes, words out of my mouth.
Thank you for showing up. We appreciate it. I'm Sheri Barbera.
I'm Barbera.
This is YouTube Bootcamp.
And we'll see you in the next video.
And if you like this video, what should you do?
Well, you should like it.
You should like it.
Number 1. Number 2, you should subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell so that you get notified every time we post a video. And share it. We would love that. Yes?
Yes, words out of my mouth.